Good morning, students. Welcome back to the digital learning class to the fourth standard social studies class. In last class, we have learned India's art and culture, classical and folk dance in India, and Indian music and musical instruments. Today, in this video, we shall learn paintings and architecture and Indian festivals. 8th lesson India's Art and Culture Part 2. First, we will see about paintings. Very often, paintings provide a lot of information of the days and times gone by. Ancient Indian paintings include wall or rock paintings and miniature paintings. Cave paintings of India are the earliest examples of wall paintings. These ancient paintings engraved on walls of temples and caves reflect age-old customs and modes, social conduct. The finest examples of these paintings are the murals of Ajanta and Ellora caves. See students, these are the paintings of Ajanta and Ellora caves. Now comes, see students, these are the paintings of Ajanta and Ellora caves. Now comes miniature paintings. Miniature paintings started in the Himalayas in the 17th century and were later popularized by the Mughals. The subject of miniature paintings varied from hunting and battle scenes. See students, these are the miniature paintings, battle scenes, beautiful landscapes, and the court proceedings or darbar of the kings. Now we will see some great painters of India's. See students, first one is M.F. Hussain, Raja Ravi Verma, and Abhindranath Tagore. These images are the some of the great painters of India's. Now comes architecture. India's historical monuments and testimony to its brilliant architectural traditions. Palaces, and some forts of the Indias. This is the Agra fort and this is the Red Fort of India's. Temples give us much insight to the life of people in the ancient India. While the earliest structure of Indian architectures were Buddhist monasteries, one can also see the influence of the Mughals and the British See this one, Mughals architectural monuments. These also Mughals monuments. This is the British on Indian architectural monuments. Now comes Hindu temples are also witness to the wonderful architecture creations. These structures depict mythology and teaching of Vedas, Mahabharata, Ramayana and Bhagavad Gita. Now comes festivals. Being a multicultural and multi-religious society, we celebrate several festivals. Several festivals like religious festivals, harvest festivals, national festivals. Festivals are happy times when people prepare delicious food at home and invite friends and family over. We purchase new clothes and celebrate good times. So, see students, some religious festivals we will see. Diwali. Diwali is also religious festival. We are celebrating in India. Next, Guru Parv. Durga Puja. Dasahra. Now comes harvest festivals. India is an agricultural country and thus we also celebrate the harvest festivals. When we thank Mother Nature for all that she gives us, here is a glimpse of some Indian harvest festivals. Onam, Kerala. Holi and Baisakhi. Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, we are celebrating these festivals. Pongal in Tamil Nadu. Now comes national festivals. In national festivals, first we are celebrating Independence Day. Independence Day celebration in India. Then Republic Day. This is also National Festival of India. And Gandhi Jayanti, celebrated as national festivals with zeal and enthusiasm across India. So students, here we are finished the first semester all lessons. Thank you. Have a nice